everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long since I've uploaded anything on YouTube. So basically I was going through so many stuffs and finally things are coming on track. So yes, here I am. I'm back with my Eid special makeup look. So yes, without further ado, let's just get into the video. As I'm already done with my brows, I am starting off with this primer from Nykaa. To cover up my dark circles, I'm using this concealer from L'Oreal Paris. Everything will be listed below in the description box. To create a light base for my eyeshadow, I'm using this light shade concealer from L'Oreal Paris. I'm spreading the concealer evenly on all over my eyelid with the help of this fluffy brush. To set the concealer on my eyelids, I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette. I'm taking the lightest shade from this palette. This palette is so amazing. It has all the brown and nude shades. Eyeshadow palette is supremely blendable and it gives great pigmentation. Now I have started blending the concealer under my eyes with the help of a damp beauty blender. Now I am using this shade for my crease as a transition shade. Now I am blending this color nicely on my crease. Now from the same eyeshadow palette I am taking the dark brown shade. Leaving the crease portion, I am applying this dark brown shade on my eyelid. Blending is really important to get a perfect and soft eye makeup look. Now I'm applying some concealer only on the middle portion of my eyelids to get a base for my shimmer shade. Now I'm taking this greenish shimmery shade from this Huda Beauty palette and I'm applying it only on the portion I have applied the concealer. Now moving on to the foundation, I'm using this foundation from L'Oreal Paris in the shade 106. It's supremely comfortable. So it's the Infallible foundation which comes in a tube. So basically on festivals we prefer comfort first, and yes, this is the foundation which will definitely provide you comfort and coverage at the same time. To get dimension, I'm using this concealer in the shade Caramel from Maybelline New York. To add some highlight, I'm using the same concealer I used on my eyelids, which is from L'Oreal Paris. I'm blending the highlighting concealer with the help of the same time. If you want to talk about the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, you get all the nude shades and shimmery shades in same palette. So basically you can create a natural nude eye makeup look and festive makeup look. So I will definitely suggest you to invest on this one. It's a great palette to invest on. As I'm done with blending the contour, now I'm applying this color bar kajal on my waterlines and also on the outer corner of my lower lash line. I'm using this peachy colored blush from L'Oreal Paris. I'm using a warm toned highlighter to highlight the high points of my face, and this highlighter is from Makeup Revolution Contour and Highlighting Makeup palette. Look is really simple and easy to create and you end up looking glamorous. To get some volume, I'm adding a coat of mascara, and this mascara is from Maybelline New York. Now it's time to get wink. I'm using this LE18 eyeliner to create my wink eyeliner, and this is my process of getting wink. I'm using a nude lip color from Face Canada, and this lipstick is one of my favorites. To get some gloss, I'm using my all-time lip balm. So So yes, this is the final look. I'm pretty happy the way it turned out. It looks simple and also really glamorous. I hope you guys liked my makeup look. If you didn't, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you guys get notified. So yes, I'll meet you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home and celebrate. Bye bye.